Fitting a distribution for drilling capital expenditure. At risk has a fitting command, located in the model group. It fits probability distributions to the data in a selected Excel range. You typically use the fit command to fit probability distributions to a set of data. The resulting fit distributions to data multi-tab dialog has all the commands necessary for fitting distributions to data. After fitting, the distribution can be placed in your model as a at-risk distribution function for use during simulations. The fit command works with existing datasets with a minimum of 5 data points. In this case, we have found a quote of 6 data points quoted on a site giving us information on drilling capital expenditures. Instead of coming up with 3 expert opinion data points for minimum, most likely and maximum parameters, the fitting command will suggest the best distribution among its collection of distributions. 41. Go to the Drilling tab and select the range B2:B7 containing the data points to be fitted. 42. Click on the Fit command of the distribution fitting icon on At-Risks ribbon. The following window appears. Observe that At-Risk has properly used Drilling CapEx text on cell B1 as the name for the fitting to be made and has used the previously marked range of B2:B7 as its data source. We will not go into much detail here on all the possible settings to change in order to use the fitting tool. 43. Go to the second tab Distributions to fit. The following dialog appears. 44. Click on the Fixed Bound option for the lower limit and leave it on 0, since we know that this function does not allow negative numbers. This is one way to limit the number of distributions available from which the fitting procedure will operate. For example, by having clicked on this option, the normal distribution vanishes since it allows for infinite ranges on both the negative and positive tails. 45. The upper limit option should be set at open, extends to plus infinity, as we do not want to include distributions here that may limit the right-hand tail of the distribution. 46. Simply, click on the Fit button. The following window appears with a suggested distribution already selected. According to AIC, the default fitting statistic, a Weibull distribution is the best distribution recommended here. Observe that the mean is adequately well represented. The lower limit placed on 0, and the upper limit placed on infinity, as a CapEx variable such as this one, should be represented. 47. Click on Write to Cell button. 48. Change the at-risk function format option to the third one, Live, updates whenever data changes. When this option is placed here, it will allow us to automatically retrieve the parameters of the fitted distribution automatically. 49. Click on Next and select cell B8 to place the fitted distribution. Cell B8 now contains the following function. Equals risk fit distribution, open parenthesis, drilling. B2:B7, 1, AIC, 0, INF, close parenthesis. This function means that this cell will always fit the data contained on range B2:B7 as a continuous sample distribution function, and will select the best distribution according to AIC, with a lower limit placed on 0 and an upper limit placed on infinity. 50. At this point, if you were to open this distribution with the Define Distribution button, At-Risk will display the following warning. 51. By clicking OK, proceed to view the fitted distribution as follows. Observe that a Weibull distribution contains 2 parameters. There is a function in At-Risk that allows to isolate each one of them in cells. 52. On cell B9, write the following function, equals risk-fit parameter, fixed reference to B8, 1. 53. On cell B10, write the following function, equals risk-fit parameter, fixed reference to B8, 2. These 2 functions retrieve respectively, the first and second parameters of a Weibull distribution for the drilling CapEx of a well, 5.0887 and 6.1014. Our fitting job has been performed. On Model tab. 54. On cell B8, make a reference to cell equals drilling. B9. This cell has previously been named as drill param 1. 55. On cell C8, make a reference to cell equals drilling. B10. This cell has previously been named as drill param 2.